So today I have another must download application that I would like to share with you guys. And just like I like to do every single week here on the channel, I like to share an app from the App Store that I think is worth a download. And of course, this week will be no different. But you guys already know if there's any apps you would like for me to try, any recommendations or suggestions, you can always leave those in the comments down below. And maybe I'll feature the app that you recommend on the next episode. Now, one thing that's always been missing from the iPhone ever since Apple announced widgets for the iPhone is interactive widgets, and that for Apple Music as well. We don't have any controls on Apple Music, so if you have your music platter here or widget on the home screen for Apple Music, all you have is your artist and then a button that brings you to Apple Music to actually interact with the music. However, in this video I'm going to share an application that actually brings music controls to the widget on the home screen of your iPhone, something that many users have been wanting for quite some time. Now, the application, of course, will be linked in the description down below. It is free to download. You get up to 150 songs to try it out. If you decide that you really like it, you can always upgrade to the premium for $1.99, as you can see right here. And these are all the perks. If you upgrade for $1.99 for a lifetime, I think it's worth it. If you want to keep trying the free one, you can go get more songs by completing these tasks right here. But yeah, let me go and show you the application. This is the UI right here. Fairly simple. You have a few tips for your widgets on the home screen. You have your controls, the Apple Music that's connected, forward, backwards, play, pause. You also have your like button right here. You have some share options, so you can actually share music with friends and family members. You can do songs and albums. Pretty cool. You can try that out as well. You also have some settings here. You can go ahead and further customize the application to your liking. You can connect your Apple Music and or Spotify, so it supports both Apple Music and Spotify, and you can have some feedback options here, contact a developer, and all that good stuff. So let's get to the actual application itself and how it works. So you get 150 songs. You can try it out completely free. If you like it, you can upgrade. Let's go into the home screen here and let me show you the widgets. So let's go into the widget panel here. Let's find the actual application, and then let's go ahead and add it to the home screen. Here we have three options here. We have small platter, we have the medium platter, which is my favorite, and then you have your large platter, and you also have a fourth medium option right here. This one shows controls, as you can see right there. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to go with the medium one because it's the one I like the most. I'm going to bring it to the home screen. Now, in order to get the controls on your iPhone, you have to tap on the widget when it's in edit mode and then click on show controls here. And you also have the option to show the love button as well if you wish to do that. But I'm just going to keep it at that. One thing you do have to keep in mind that if you don't go into settings and enable reduce motion under accessibilities, you will get this weird animation when you click on the actual play control. So reduce motion must be enabled on your iPhone in order for this to work properly, in my opinion. So there it is. You have all of your controls, a beautiful artwork with vinyl animations. Let me show you that here. Click on the play button here. You see that the vinyl starts playing, and again, you can play and pause, forward, backwards. The track is pretty cool. You have your song, your artist, the vinyl is playing, and then you have all these controls. So click on play again. If you don't enable reduce motion, keep in mind under accessibilities, this will not look the same for you. So make sure you go into motions under accessibilities, and that's pretty much it. All we have here is controls for Apple Music. I think it's well worth it. Go ahead and download it in the App Store. MD Vinyl, great ratings, 4.5 stars. So yeah, thank you for watching this week's episode. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.